Fluent, period. I don't have time to learn English. Are you sure? Or are you just not seeing the time you already have? Because here's something most people don't realize. You don't need more time to learn English. You need to use your time differently. And once you see this, learning English stops feeling impossible. Let me ask you something. How many times have you said, "I'll study tomorrow," and tomorrow never comes? Or you sit down to study and spend 20 minutes just deciding what to study, and then you quit. That's not a time problem. That's a system problem. So today, I'll show you how to fix it. Not with more effort, but with smarter habits. Let's start with the first shift. Stop trying to find time. Start creating a routine. Because random study doesn't work. You need a fixed moment. Same time. Every day. Morning. Afternoon. Night. It doesn't matter. What matters is consistency. Because when you repeat something at the same time, your brain stops asking, "Should I study today?" It just happens. Like brushing your teeth. Now here's a trick that changes everything. It's called habit stacking. Sound complicated? It's not. It means connect English to something you already do. For example, you drink coffee? Review English while your coffee is brewing. You walk. Listen to English while walking. You eat? Watch something in English. You're not adding time. You're upgrading your time. Second shift. Plan your study. Because if you don't plan it, it won't happen. Simple. At the start of the week, decide, what will I study? When will I study? Even better, schedule something with another person. A tutor, a language partner, a call. Why? Because now, it's not just about you. Someone is waiting, and suddenly, you show up, even when you don't feel like it. Now here's a big mistake. People think, I need 1 hour to study. Wrong. You can learn a lot in 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. The secret? Small sessions during the day. For example, morning, 10 minutes vocabulary lunch, 10 minutes video night, 15 minutes listening that's already 35 minutes. Without finding time, you built it. And here's something important. You don't need to study the same way every time. Mix it, because your brain loves variety. Reading, listening, speaking, watching, different inputs. Same goal. Quick pause. If this is helping you rethink your routine, subscribe to Fluent, period. Because here, we don't just teach English. We show you how to fit it into real life. Now, let's talk about effectiveness. Because studying more doesn't mean learning more. You need focus, real focus. First, fix your environment. Clean space. No distractions. Phone away. Tabs closed. Because every distraction breaks your attention. And once it breaks, it takes time to come back. Second, try this 25-minute study. 5-minute break. Repeat. It's simple, but powerful. Because your brain works better in blocks, not in long, exhausting sessions. Third, make it enjoyable. This is huge. If you hate what you're studying, you will stop. So choose things you like. Movies you enjoy. Books you care about. Topics you're curious about. Because enjoyment equals consistency. And consistency equals progress. Now let me save you from a big mistake. Stop writing everything. Seriously, many learners do this. They watch a lesson and write everything, word by word, page after page. And then they never read it again. That's wasted time. Instead, write less, but smarter. For example, 5 new words, 1 grammar idea, 1 example, that's it. Then spend your time using it. Because using is learning. Now let's make this practical. Here are simple study ideas you can start today. Read a short text, write 3 sentences about it, watch a video, explain it out loud, do a 30-minute conversation, write a short journal, answer random questions about yourself, listen to a podcast while walking. Simple, flexible, effective. And now, the truth nobody likes to hear. You will not feel motivated every day. Some days, you won't want to study. And that's okay. Don't wait for motivation. Rely on your system, your habits. Because habits work, even when motivation disappears. So remember this. You don't need more time. You need routine, planning, small sessions, focus, enjoyment. That's how real progress happens. Now I want to know, what's your biggest excuse right now? No time, no motivation. Don't know what to study. Be honest. Write it in the comments. Because once you see the real problem, you can finally fix it. And I'll see you in the next video.